either the football kick or the basketball jump shot, football penalty, sorry. We tested the skill and we broke it down into the prep, execution and follow through phase, and we filmed that, and we did a number of shots out of 10 or 20. As part of that, we identified two main errors, and we analysed that using biomechanics. Why is that an error in terms of how it's going to impact the outcome of the shot? We then did a skill improvement program, or SIP for short. I gave you those. We did an ongoing evaluation of the skill improvement program. So you thought about some of the things that you were doing in the skill improvement program to improve, and you wrote a log about it. Okay? And as we were doing that, I was also teaching you about some of the things you were doing. And then at the maybe 3/4 way through, I asked you to make some adaptations to that skill improvement program to suit you as a group better. You then continued with that skill improvement program for a couple of sessions, and then while I was away on Thursday, you retested. And what we are doing in terms of the test is we're looking at the video footage and comparing it to when we tested at the beginning, and looking at our two skill errors. Not new skill errors, just the two that you were talking about here. And we are asking ourselves, have we improved, and how do we know? What are the two types of data? Both start with Q, qualitative and quantitative. What is qualitative data? In this, what is examples of qualitative data here? Well, we asked the easier question. What is quantitative data in this? There's two main sets of data you've got there. How many what? Shots you get in. And then the qualitative data is what?
The quality of the shot.
Quality of the shot. How do you, what sort of, you got a video of that, okay? So the quality of your movement and the quantitative or quantity of the number that you got out of 10 is the quantitative data. You're using those two pieces of data to come up with an answer around have we improved and how do we know. And then the final part, which we're going to start today, is you evaluate the use of two main biophysical principles. The biophysical principles we used mainly was biomechanics, feedback, whole part whole learning, open and closed skills, arousal control theory, and one that we haven't touched on a lot, we did it at the beginning, but you'll be weaving it through your answer, is functional anatomy. Alright? Over on the far right over here, you can see that we are going to value it using this strategy. We're going to do two PE Think logs. What's a PE Think log? Well, it's those logs we've done at the beginning of the year. We ask what did we use, how and why did we use it that way, and so what was there a positive, was there a negative, what would I do differently next time? Right? Or how did I change it during the sessions? You're going to do two logs, one for biomechanics and one for another biophysical principle, choosing from anything from here. Alright? And then you'll do an overall conclusion. He patai.
Yeah. Are we starting it today?
We're starting that today, yep. We're starting the biomechanics part. We're going to do this evaluation part here. Have we improved? How do we know? And what does that mean biomechanically? Alright? Cool. Sweet. Cool.